So we just spent $80 on bakery goods.
Good morning. So we're going to one of our favorite bakeries that we actually haven't been to yet this morning. We found this place at the Greenville Farmers Market back in August when we were visiting there and instantly fell in love with it. I mean, a place that sells extreme cinnamon swirl bread, how could you not fall in love with that? And they have some of the best cinnamon rolls that I've ever had.
I'll agree with that.
So yeah, we're going to actually go to their bakery location today, and then we're going to take care of some other things that you might see, maybe not, and then we're going to work because it's still May and Laura has to work on graduation stuff and I have to work on the video that you'll be watching. We made it!
This is gonna be so worth it. Someone's excited. What did we get? We got cinnamon rolls, we got rosemary garlic bread. Was that the one we got? Mm-hmm. A blueberry cream cheese swirl, the extreme cinnamon swirl bread, a pumpkin chocolate chip tea loaf cake thing, and
Continue on
a banana nut bread.
146 west for half a mile.
Sorry, we're getting directions. And a banana nut bread. So we're going to share that with some friends, and that should be good.
All right, so we are getting ready to leave the Clemson RV Park, and we've been here since May 1st. It's been a month, and it's been a great park. But yeah, you can watch us put everything up as we continue to learn. Hopefully we don't miss anything. We're going to try to take our time. here at Sadler's Creek State Park, and we got set up with our trailer, and now we're just we walked down the
Path.
We walked down the hill
That hard word
to
you're looking for.
to the lake, and here is our view of the sunset.
You know, it just ain't summer without a little water.
Adam,
Well, sir, it's still spring.
Well,
Adam never goes anywhere without a watermelon.
it's
true.
Oh, I know.
He went from May to September.
We were just talking about him, and I said, I don't think I've ever seen Tyler without a watermelon.
Well, I mean, I tell you what, it's just pure goodness.
It really
It
is.
really is pure goodness.
It is.
All for the taking there. All right. See how it goes.
I don't know if I can put this on YouTube.